Hi guys, here's a quick little video to show you guys how to do disability accommodations and make other changes to exams once you actually have them loaded up in Blackboard. So this is my 309 class, and if for mine I have my exams set up um, over in a separate tab over here. But all you have to do is you just pick an exam like this that's already exists, and you come up here to edit the test options, and this little screen will come up. And then what you do is you scroll down to where it says test availability exceptions. And what you need to do on that is just click this add user or group. And this will bring up, let me get rid of this. This will bring up your list of students, okay? Now the initial list of students, you'll see here, I've got like 1,000 students, so it'll only bring up like 100 at a time. So you've got like, page 1 of 10 here. But the best thing to do is scroll down to the bottom and click this Show All button. Once you get the Show All button, now you've got all your students on the same page. So if you've got a student that you know you have disability accommodations for, you can just use the Find function. And then, let's see, okay. And you just use the find function. You can look up any student that you want, and you can select as many students as you've got disability accommodations for. So what I like to do is I get in here and I select every student I've got an accommodation for, and that way I can do them all at once. But let's just say we're going to do Sarah here. If I would select her and then click submit down here, and then this is my my whole list of all my students with disability. And you can see that they've all got different accommodations. So you've got one kid who's getting time and a half. My exams are 90 minutes, so this kid's getting time and a half. This kid's getting double time, etc. And so you can come down here and find our student, in this case Sarah. I can then go in and change her exam. I can give her as much time as she wants. I can also come over here and set a different date if I want her to have a different date that she can actually access the exam on from everybody else. I can set that up right there. This single attempt, multiple attempts, unlimited attempts button, the only time I really use this is if for some reason a student had something that crashed during an exam and all of a sudden they were unable to complete it. If they email me about that, I go in and verify it and everything looks good, then I can come in here and set an exception. I'll usually set multiple attempts, and then I'll just enter the number 2. And once I submit that, the student can then go back and access the exam again. So that's really the only reason that I ever use that one. So that's basically it. And you can, as kind of indicated here, I'm going to delete Sarah, but as indicated here, you can set up every single student that you have with a disability. You can set them up so that they've got all the time that they require. And so it just works. And then once you're all done, you click submit, of course, and then it's good to go. And so that is, in essence, exactly how you do it. So I hope you guys found this interesting and helpful, and I will try and post other things as needed. You guys take care. Have a good one.